Electric Rimac Nevera claims 23 records in a day, sets quickest 0 to 249 miles per hour time. The 1,914 horsepower electric-powered Nevera hypercar sets 23 performance records in a single day. Ponder this for a moment. The Rimac Nevera will accelerate from a standing start to 249 miles per hour and brake to a stop in less time than a McLaren F1, the original hypercar, needed just to reach 217 miles per hour. Oh, and along the way this Croatian-designed and engineered EV will blow away every other hypercar on the road today, as proven by a recent test session in Germany that saw it capture no fewer than 23 claimed performance records in a single day. Nailing the accelerator pedal in the Rimac Nevera is like being fired from a cannon. Look at these numbers, independently verified, says Rimac, by technicians from performance data logging specialists RaceLogic and Dussoft. 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.74 seconds, 0 to 124 miles per hour in 1.82 seconds, 0 to 186 miles per hour in 9.23 seconds. The 0 to 249 miles per hour sprint takes 21.32 seconds. Check out the gallery from the day. In terms of the good old American drag strip, the Nevera covered the standing quarter mile in 8.26 seconds, more than a second quicker than our best run in the Tesla Model S Plaid we tested a couple of years ago. For the record, the Nevera was a quarter second quicker than the Model S Plaid to 60 miles per hour and about a second quicker to 100 miles per hour. For Bonneville nerds, the Nevera dispatched the standing mile in 20.6 seconds. All times include the standard 1-foot rollout we've used for decades in our own performance testing here at Motor Trend and were set, says Rimac, on non-prepped asphalt at the Automotive Testing Papenburg facility using standard, road-legal Michelin Cup 2R tires. The 4-motor, 1,914 horsepower Nevera will leave even the mighty 16-cylinder, 1,578 horsepower Bugatti Chiron Super Sport gasping in its wake. What's most impressive is the Nevera, which last year became the fastest EV road car in history with a 256 miles per hour top speed run at Papenburg, needed no special tweaks to put down those record-breaking numbers. If you had a Nevera and access to a track, you could do it too, says Rimac Group founder Mate Rimac. That sounds like a challenge too good for our test team to resist. In the meantime, until we can get behind the wheel and find out for ourselves, here's the full list of the Rimac Nevera performance numbers set at Automotive Testing Papenburg, IMAC Nevera Tesserie RaceLogic Dussoft. 0 to 60 mil/sot 1.74 s 1.74 s. 0 100 km/sot 0 to 62 miles per hour, 1.82 s 1.81 s. 0 200 km/sot 0 to 124 miles per hour, 4.42 s 4.42 s.